hopefully you saw the installation video of the Jester cam, which this is the flange system again, so you can run the different baffles for track days and everything like that. Today we're going to give you some good shots, because we've looked and there's not really any videos on YouTube that give a decent sound. So for this you're probably going to want to put your headphones on, because we're independently recording all the sound. And this little boy here,
our Russian friend
is recording the audio. We've got cameras set up down there. We're going to have helmet cams, and then we're going to throw cams wherever else we can, and just give you that sweet V-twin.
Let's get some clips.
So this is going to be start up and idle from a warm start. Just get neutral.
Classic KTM problems. It blows my mind that you don't put it in neutral before you turn it off.
It won't do it though. So it's easier to just turn it off. Here we go.
Have you found it? The mythical clitoris.
Ready?
So the next one's going to be the launch. So we're going to do a standing start and
see how many gears we can get before we run out of runway. That's a few clips of how it sounds now, so we'll drop a few clips of what it sounded like before in, because we did a few of them, doing the same scenario, start up, rev in, standing start, flyby, and then you should hopefully get a pretty decent picture of what it's going to sound like if you fit the Jester. Hopefully you've enjoyed the sound clips of the new exhaust. Looks quite nice, I quite like it. It's quite industrial looking, isn't it? Yeah. It's got that flangey look. What do you think then, as a following the bike for what it was before?
I can hear you now, and I know it makes a difference when you're riding a bike to be able to hear what it's doing. Yeah. So you're not looking down at the revs and stuff all the time, so that'll make a big difference. It sounds good, but does it ride better?
Compared to what it did before, yeah, with the standard one, smoothed out loads, it's gained a bit of bottom end, does feel good. It's definitely made a difference.
So did you explain about your bike was missing a load of bits, but it had a standard exhaust on?
No.
So when you bought this bike from the dealer,
yeah,
you did a bit of research into the bike and you found out they have something called an SAS system.
All the big V-twins from KTM have the SAS system fitted to them.
And that's some sort of like recirc sort of helps.
Yeah, it comes off the side of the cylinder and it feeds into the exhaust, and I think it gives it like back pressure or something, and it operates a valve or something electronically. So when you fit an aftermarket exhaust, if you leave that on, apparently it just pops and bangs constantly because it's adding too much into such a free-flowing exhaust. So you fit the exhaust, you take that system off, put the blanking plates on, put resistors into the electric connectors, and then that's it, deleted. But then what's happened is either the guy sold the garage it, the dealer it, and took his exhaust off before and sold it, because they are a lot of money, aren't they? There's no cheap systems that you can chuck on them because of you can't just buy a universal can and make it fit.
I guess to make them aftermarket, there's probably quite a lot of work that goes into them to make them fit right and get the equal amount of pressure between the headers, because you don't want one shorter than the other really because of the back pressure and stuff. But yeah, overall good.
Way better now, because now it's got the SAS delete with an aftermarket exhaust, so it runs as it should do.
Future plan?
Future plan? Track days?
Mapping?
Oh yeah, map it. Been looking at quick shifters. So quick shifter, and I know you're a fan, you just folded your arms there.
Talk to me.
We've got his attention.
Tell me too.
They are good, aren't they? Quick shifters are good, and if they're done right with a map and they've got power commander, which you've already got the power commander,
Yeah.
so you're one step ahead then, I guess. Maybe two down, one or two.
Yeah, your rear sprocket is tiny. I think you could gain quite a bit of sort of acceleration with it, make it a bit more lively low down. Mine's quite big.
But even yours, you could probably go up two and down one and make it really lively.
The power on this is all at the top end, and if you can make it get to the top end of the revs faster without it being at the top end of your gearing,
Yeah.
that's where your power is, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that makes sense. I can see why people would do that. Like, I have to really thrash this to get it into like party mode. Party mode's around here to here. That would definitely benefit from being geared slightly differently.
Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you tune in again to see more mods and Gixxer mods and Grom mods, garage mods, all of it really. Let us know what you think. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see a bit more, hit subscribe. If you want to help the channel because you've been around for a while, which I know some people have, give us a share, and we'll see you in the next one.